This afternoon, outside the Fulton County Courthouse, we heard from the mother of Jamarion Robinson. She has been very vocal throughout this entire process here. Just about 24 hours ago, a grand jury indicted a U.S. Marshal and a Clayton County police officer with murder in her son's death.
Robinson was shot 59 times as law enforcement tried to arrest him in 2016. Robinson's mother says she fought for 5 years for charges to be filed and is not done pushing for justice for her son. Joe Hankey talked with her, and Joe, such a long and incredibly painful journey. What's going to be next for her, has she said?
Well, Monteria Robinson tells me an indictment and charges, of course, is a first step, but ultimately she wants to see anyone responsible convicted in court.
Robinson! Robinson!
On the front steps of the Fulton County Courthouse, Jamarion Robinson's mother, Monteria, and supporters shouted his name this afternoon, one day after a Fulton County grand jury indicted 2 law enforcement officers with murder for his death. Monteria Robinson says since 2016, she begged prosecutors to bring her son's case before a grand jury.
I had to fight them like tooth and nail to get here. I have had to make personal sacrifices. I had to leave my job. I couldn't even travel and go to work.
On Monday and Tuesday, the Fulton County District Attorney's Office finally presented details of Robinson's killing to a grand jury. In August of 2016, U.S. Marshals attempted to arrest Robinson inside an East Point apartment for warrants out of Atlanta and Gwinnett County. During nearly 3 minutes of gunfire, Robinson would be shot 59 times, leaving him with 76 gunshot wounds, according to the medical examiner's report. Federal policy at the time prevented U.S. Marshals from wearing body cameras, so there is no body camera video of what happened. After 2 days of hearing from witnesses, the grand jury indicted U.S. Marshal Eric Heinze, charging him with crimes including felony murder, and also indicted Clayton County police officer Kristopher Hutchens, who was charged with the same crimes as Heinze. Police officers being charged with felony murder is rare, but it did not surprise Robinson.
Was I expecting it? Yes, I was expecting that charge. You know, the DA did inform me prior to the grand jury, like, these are the charges.
She says, though, an indictment is not the end goal. Robinson is now hoping for a criminal conviction.
You know, we are ecstatic. We are happy. You know, this is one step further in the right direction. And as I stated, you know, we can start a new chapter.
And as of this afternoon, court records do not show any warrants issued yet for Heinze and Hutchenson's arrest. Attempts to reach both of them have been unsuccessful. The U.S. Marshals and Clayton County Police have not released any statements on the indictment, but Clayton Police did inform us Hutchens is currently on administrative assignment. Sheba.